I'm really glad you came, Steph. This is a really cool place. It is. And now we got Billy here, too.
Yeah, Joey, I've been thinking, man, maybe this isn't such a good idea.
Am I going to hear this saga about your parents again? Listen, I don't think your parents are going to come prancing in here.
Seriously, Billy, what is their problem? I mean, you're always doing what they want, and everybody else thinks you walk on water.
You know, you're right. I could be down at the mall pushing drugs or something.
Exactly.
Yeah, or having a love affair with a tawdry older woman who wanted your body all day and night.
Sounds good to me.
Sounds pretty good to me, too.
You too.
Well, look, I'm here, we're here, and I'm staying, all right?
Good, amen.
Great. I've got an idea, Stephanie. How about, you want to check out the rest of the room, and I'll show you around? Sure. Okay. Perfect.
Billy.
Yeah?
Speaking of heavy-duty action, have you ever, you know...
What?
Done something.
Oh. You mean...
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have? Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't done something. I haven't done anything. I was wondering, how did you get a girl to, like, let you in?
Joey, come on.
I'm sorry. I just thought I'd get a few pointers. So you and Alana are really close, right?
Yeah, she's the best, man. I mean, I can talk to her so easily and just hang out. She's totally accepting.
So you guys are, like, really close, right?
Very.
Right.
I mean, she's my best friend, really.
Yeah.
Look, you want to go find the girls?
Yeah, okay, in a minute.
All right, catch up with us.
Yeah, no. So, what about Billy? Is he gonna come here or what?
I don't think so. He bit the bullet and told his parents that he wanted to come and help set up, and, well, they kind of chewed him out for it, so.
Same stupid reason, right?
Yep, worried about him being around the wrong influences.
Jeez. So, you know them pretty well, right?
Who?
Billy's parents.
Oh. Yeah, I see him around a lot. It's kind of hard not to, considering we live next door to each other.
Oh. So, you hang out with him a lot?
Billy! You escaped from Alcatraz.
Yeah.
What, you turn them around now that they're gonna let you work here, right?
Well, let's just say it's all taken care of.
They don't know you're here, do they?
Not exactly.
And you better hope that they don't exactly find out.
Why should I? Who's gonna tell them?
Oh, come on, you guys. Okay, all right, let's get to work. Everybody, Mr. Gannon and Andrew are gonna be here really soon, okay? All right, everybody knows tomorrow is AIDS Awareness Day, right?
Uh-huh.
Well, we're gonna be handing these out, so everybody can wear them tomorrow at school.
That's a really good idea, Joey. It's really great. Can you help me put this on?
Sure.
Well, Billy, I don't know, do you want to take one?
Look, man, I'll be burned if my parents find out I'm here. I don't even want to think of what they'll do if they catch me wearing one of those things.
Wrong influences strike once again.
Well, I don't understand this. This is all for a good cause. So's the center. What's the problem?
Look, Joey, my parents have different ideas about what is and isn't a good cause.
But you have a right to your own opinion, right?
And I also have a right to make my own decisions. And I'm not wearing one of these things, all right?
All right. Here you go. Everybody! Hello!
Okay, we have two very important people that the center could have never happened
Yeah,
without.
the two mechanics that went broke 6 months ago and abandoned this place.
Anyway, so before we officially open, I'd like to thank these two very important people who pushed and prodded and inspired us all. And, well, they're the reason we're all here today. It is our esteemed DA, our Hank Gannon.